Have you ever wondered what makes video game characters seem so real, or how game worlds feel so dynamic? The answer often lies in artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the invisible force that breathes life into digital environments and their inhabitants. It's not just about powerful graphics, it's about the intelligence that drives the actions of non-player characters, or NPCs. AI shapes how challenges are presented and how the game world responds to your choices. Understanding AI helps us appreciate the complexity of modern game design. Early game AI was quite basic, often relying on simple, pre-scripted behaviors. NPCs would follow predictable patterns or react in very limited ways to player input. This made games feel somewhat static and repetitive over time. Today, AI allows NPCs to exhibit far more sophisticated behaviors. They can navigate complex environments, make tactical decisions, and even adapt to player strategies. This creates a much more immersive and challenging experience for players. Modern NPCs can learn from your actions, anticipating your next move or exploiting your weaknesses. This adaptive AI makes every encounter feel unique and less predictable. It pushes players to constantly evolve their own strategies. Beyond combat, AI enhances NPC interactions in narrative-driven games. Characters can remember past conversations, react to your reputation, and even develop relationships with you. This adds depth and believability to the game world. Pathfinding algorithms, for instance, allow NPCs to find efficient routes through intricate levels. Decision-making trees and state machines enable them to choose appropriate actions based on their current situation and goals. These systems are fundamental to believable NPC behavior. AI isn't just for controlling characters, it's also a powerful tool in game design itself. Procedural content generation uses AI to automatically create vast game worlds, unique quests, or endless variations of items. This saves developers immense time and offers players infinite replayability. Imagine a game that generates new dungeons or entire planets on the fly, each with unique challenges. This is AI at work, crafting experiences that would be impossible to hand design. It allows for truly expansive and dynamic game universes. AI can also personalize the player experience. It can analyze your playstyle, adjusting difficulty levels or tailoring story elements to match your preferences. This creates a more engaging and customized journey for each individual player. Furthermore, AI assists developers in testing and balancing games. AI agents can play through games thousands of times, identifying bugs or uncovering imbalances that human testers might miss. This streamlines the development process significantly. AI can even be used to design game mechanics or optimize level layouts. By simulating player behavior, AI helps designers understand how their creations will be perceived and interacted with. It's a powerful feedback loop for iterative design. The future of AI in gaming promises even more intelligent and dynamic experiences. We might see NPCs with genuine emotional responses or AI game masters that craft entirely unique narratives in real time. The possibilities are vast and exciting. However, developing advanced AI comes with its own challenges. Creating truly intelligent and adaptive systems requires significant computational power and complex programming. There's also the risk of AI becoming too perfect, making games feel unfair or predictable in a different way. Striking the right balance between challenge and fun is crucial. The goal is to enhance the player experience, not to create an unbeatable opponent. Ethical considerations also arise as AI becomes more sophisticated, particularly in how it influences player behavior. Ultimately, AI is transforming gaming from a static experience into a living, breathing world. It's making games smarter, more immersive, and infinitely more engaging. As students, understanding these principles opens doors to exciting careers in game development and beyond.